Hi, welcome to Cloudminister Technologies. If you want to pay an invoice and looking for a guidance, then please watch the full tutorial. The following steps will guide you to pay an invoice from Cloudminister's client area. Please visit our website at cloudminister.com. Go to our website's login section. Log into the Cloudminister Technologies client area. You can either click on Unpaid Invoices from the My Dashboard or go to the Billing option from the left and click on My Invoices. Here you will see the My Invoices dashboard, where all outstanding invoices will be listed, and if you have any invoice history with us, you can also search. Select your unpaid invoice. You can see that the View Invoice page has opened, and to the right of the page you can select your preferred payment method. Choose payment method, and when you choose NEFT, IMPS transfer, you will see our bank details for the same. After doing NEFT or IMPS, please inform us, so that we can send paid invoice. You can choose the mode of payment through card, Visa, MasterCard, RuPay, and Maestro, UPI, QR, instant payment using UPI app, net banking, all Indian banks, wallet, phone pay, more, and pay later, ICICI Bank Pay Later. Also, you can hit the Pay Now button in the blue color box on the left-hand side of My Invoice page. You are automatically directed to the mass payment. Now, you can simply choose the payment method and hit the Make Payment button to clear all your unpaid invoices. That's how you can pay an invoice from Cloudminister's client area. You can either select the unpaid invoice from all entries list, or you can just hit the Pay Now button, which appears in the blue color box on the left-hand side of My Invoice page. We provide call support. You can contact the Cloudminister Technologies team at 01414924265 for better assistance. Thanks for watching full tutorial. If you found it useful, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see upcoming videos like this.